Hello guys, so today we have Volvo V60 2020. The customer he have a key, but key is not working, so we need to make a new one. I will try to show you how to make a new key for this car. First of all, you need to remove the CEM module, which is located under the steering wheel, and I will use the ACDP for reading the EEPROM data. I will show you right now where is it located. So it's a UK car, so it's right-hand drive, and the CEM is located right here on the right side. You need to remove the plastic cover up to the pedal here, and you need to remove the vent from the back right here. And then you have two screws, and you need to remove the CEM and put it on the bench. Okay, and the ACDP is very easy to use. You just need to connect the adapter on the CEM module and press read the information, and then with that information you can learn the key on the car. Okay, so the ACDP has been read the data from the CEM module. We need to save it now, and we need also to take a picture for it. Okay, it says please save the CEM data password. Perfect. Now I need to install back the CEM module on the car. Yeah, I will install it and I will get back to you. Okay guys, so I install back the CEM module, which is located right here on the right side. I will use a new key, a Volvo key, and I will use the ACDP to program the key. Here is the emergency antenna if you need it, the emergency starting. Okay, let's focus on this, so please make, okay, CEM, it's connected back. PIN number, okay, please select the CEM password. Is the one that we just read it, is this one. Downloading the file, please put okay much in the recognition area. Okay, so the recognition area, it's right here. Okay, let's press OK. Continue to add key, no. Perfect, so that was all. And let's see now, yes, it doesn't have any lights on the dashboard, but if we start the engine, it's perfect. Let's try to start the engine as well. All done. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For the new cars, if you want any questions or something like that, you can leave me a comment, and if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you so much guys, have a nice day.